Well, hi there, it's Pam Carr here, and I'm going to be doing a bobble stitch for you today. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to go and grab my yarn. I'm using a worsted weight yarn and a number 5 hook, okay? So I'm going to start with doing a slip knot. I always wrap the yarn around my finger twice, pull the yarn over again, and I put my hook in there and pull, and that is the way I do a slip knot. Everybody does theirs differently, okay? And now we're going to wrap the yarn over our hook and pull it through that loop, and we're going to chain an odd number, okay? Because when we start to work back on our chain, we lose a stitch. So we're going to do an odd number. Okay, so I'm going to chain up probably, let me say, what shall we do? 17. Okay, so I'll meet you back when we've got 17. Okay, now I've got 17. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to single crochet down. I didn't do that for my sample. I just did it straight on to the chain, but I'm going to do a single crochet just because that might be easier for you. So we take our yarn and we find the second chain from the hook. So we go not into that one, we go into the second one, and we're going to single crochet, okay? So that means we've lost the stitch. So when we're finished, we should have 16 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and I'll meet you at the end. So sure enough, we're at the end, and here we are. This is going to be number 16 single crochet. So we're going to chain 1 up, okay, and we're going to turn the work, okay, then we're going to single crochet into the first stitch. All right, and now we're going to make our very first bobble. So to make your first bobble, you put the yarn over and you go into the next stitch, making sure you're going under both of the legs on that V. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over and pull it through only 2. Okay, yarn over, put it into the same stitch, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through 2 more of your loops there. So you've got 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, put it into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over and pull it through the first 2 that are on your hook. So now we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, put it through the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, and pull it through 2. And now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to do it one more time. Pull it through 2, and now we have 6, okay? So we're going to pull yarn over and pull it through all those loops, and then we're going to single crochet into the next stitch. And the bobble always appears on the back. So there's your beautiful bobble. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so now we're going to get set up for our next one. Okay, yarn over, go into the next single crochet. There it is. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and go through 2. We have 2 loops, okay? Yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through 2. And now we've got 1, 2, 3. Yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. And how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yarn over into the same hole, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gaining a stitch every time. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. And when we've got 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're done. We put the yarn over the hook, and I always twist it. See how I've got my hook pointing down towards my thumb? and you pull it through, and we single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, now we've got 2 beautiful baubles. Okay, so let's make one more. Yarn over, don't forget to put the yarn over, find your next single crochet stitch. There it is, go through both the loops. Okay, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over through 2, yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over and pull it through, and you can pull it through a little bit, you don't keep it really tight, you pull it through, yarn over and pull it through 2, yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. We've got 2, 4, 5, so we need one more. Yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. Now we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we put the yarn over. I always turn my hook so that it's not catching on the top. It's clear and free to go through. And we single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, and if you don't know how to single crochet or do any of the basic stitches, I do have tutorials on my channel for that. Yarn over, we're going to go into the next single crochet stitch here. Yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over and pull it through 2. Yarn over into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull it through. Yarn over, pull it through 2. Yarn over into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over and pull it through 2. Yarn over into the same stitch. Yarn over, pull it through. Yarn over, pull it through 2. Yarn over and into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over, pull it through 2. How many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time to pull it through. And single crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over, into the next one we go. I'm going to make these a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we've got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So put the yarn over and we pull it through all those stitches, hoops or loops, and we go into the next single crochet. Okay, so here we go with the next one. Yarn over into the stitch, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. Yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. Yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. Yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. Okay, 2, 4, 5. Yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we put the yarn over and we pull it through and we single crochet into our next stitch. Okay, I'm going to do another one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6. Pull it through and single crochet into the next stitch. Don't forget to make another single crochet into the last stitch after you've done the bobble. I've chained one and I've turned the work, and we're going to single crochet into the single crochet at the end. And now I am going to single crochet into this side of the bobble stitch and into the chain at the top of the bobble stitch, and then into this side of the next bobble stitch, and into the single crocheting, sorry, into the top of the chain, and then into that little bit in front, and into the top of the chain. Well, that's sort of that loop that's there. So we sort of go one into each side of the bobble. This one just happens to be that long piece there. So there. So make sure you're doing 2 single crochets into each bobble. I'm going on this side, and then I'm going on this side, which happens to be that long loopy bit there. When you get to the end, you'll have the single crochet. All right, then we're going to chain 1 and turn. And now we single crochet into the first one, and we're ready to go with another row of bobbles. Okay, yarn over into the first one, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over into the same stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and you can always check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to do another one because we need 6 loops on our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over, pull through, and into that double crochet, single crochet, sorry. Okay, so that's how we're going to be working across, doing our next row of bobble stitches, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull through and into the next single crochet we go. Okay, so we'll work along and let's see how it looks at the end of this row. And just like before, when we end, we secure the bobble stitch into the single crochet, and then we have one more single crochet to do at the end of that row. Okay, we're going to turn, chain 1, and then you will single crochet across like we did before. But these bobbles, they're different to puff stitches. They're a little bit more poppy, and they're fun, and they're done in a different technique. So it's always good to learn different ways to do things. There's the puff stitch that sort of looks like this. There's the bobble stitch that we've got here. And there are different variations of all these different stitches. So it's lots of fun to learn it. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a bobble stitch. And please, if you have any comments, leave them below, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to get more stitch tutorials. I'm adding them weekly. Thank you.